Hey everyone, thank you for joining me on that yard sale. Have I kept you in suspense long enough? Do you want to know what the $5 item was that I sold for $379? Anything good?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's still self. Oh, look at you.
Nothing really good. Wii Play's okay. Wii Sports is really good.
It's a spreader. We put fertilizer in there.
Maybe Tiger Woods? I don't think that's very good.
That's from Marshalls. So that was like not good stuff.
Correct.
Isn't that the weirdest? That's just the weirdest bed ever. Like, what?
Where?
This.
Oh, that's good for baby dolls. It's a very fancy baby doll bed.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we got.
Anything you want? No?
You know what I'm buying for today.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know if there's anything else you were looking at.
Like that Sheen guys and Sandbox. Bing Crosby.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, morning. Hi, Colin. Long time no see. That's cool. What's that?
Blu-rays?
Yeah, it's a pretty new neighborhood, huh?
Yeah. You want to Mike? There you go.
Oh, there you go. Just the Blu-ray I'm looking for. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cool. Stu would like that. He said he's gonna get a BMW. You don't believe him?
Yeah, I think you will. I think Dorian's forcing him to.
Colin got some old baseball cards. Oh.
Yeah, that BMW glass is from the, what is it, Spartanburg game?
Yeah.
South Carolina.
That's pretty cool.
The wax arrow baseball cards.
Yep.
Those babies are vintage.
Yeah. How much for this box?
You can have the whole a lot of it for 10. All right.
How much for this box?
I know that one's an unopened one, so
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, I'd do $5 for that. I have a bunch of loose ones, and that's kind of cool.
You can take it.
Okay. I will, because that's kind of neat.
I don't think I ever really. My dad was like really a stickler for the idea that even if we had them, you didn't like open them and touch them, which is probably where the
Yeah.
idea of all of it kind of lost for a kid.
Yeah, it kind of lost its excitement. Don't touch this toy I got you, son.
Alright, you want this?
Anna, sorry, I can't control her. Thank you. You're riding a bike around? Was it fun?
Yeah, it was.
That's good.
I had no pedals though. See anything cool? No.
Oh, knives.
Knife collections? You need
That's-
any knives?
I don't know if we can trust this guy. He's got the GoPro on.
Yeah, that's right.
He's waiting for somebody to make a mistake.
Yeah,
That's
see?
it, man. He's trying.
Got two of them. They
Pakistan,
match.
yeah.
I had them crossing above my bookshelves.
That's cool, yeah.
I bet you want one, don't you?
I like
What are
pocket
you
knives more
looking
so.
for?
She's looking for a wagon. That's her big hunt.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's just railroad memorabilia.
That's cool though.
Oh, that's awesome.
I might
1985.
find a wagon somewhere.
Ooh,
Probably up in that area because it's mostly.
Yeah, now that would go with your
Are you
GoPro.
guys in this
that's
area?
right, yeah.
Where do you live?
Some nunchucks?
Honey,
Anna.
are any of these going to be like.
Don't play with
coming out?
knives.
You press a button?
No, no.
Okay, okay. I just want to make
No, they're not gonna jump out.
Hey, this one kind of looks
That's a
like Harry
hand
Potter's
heater.
symbol on it.
Nice.
If you hunt turkey, these are
Yes,
turkey
I
collars.
know.
Okay. That's cool. Turkey
That
collar.
does not look like Harry Potter's symbol.
Oh, these. The what?
And this is a little old
That's
for
right.
Iraq, but if you want to go to Vietnam, you can put one of these on.
There you go.
Or you can go to Vietnam.
Oh, this is interesting.
Hey, Jane. I don't know. You gotta ask the wife there. I don't know. The whole box is $10.
The whole box is $10.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. All these old media. I mostly want these records.
Well, they all go as a group, man. $10 for all.
They
of them.
gotta go as a group.
Yep. Well, Jane, I don't know. So why don't you get over here and take care of
Oh,
your
not
business?
the records? Okay.
Yeah, ask me about man stuff, okay?
Okay. Okay. How much are the records?
I think they're separately marked. I'll go half.
Oh,
Whatever
okay.
they're marked, I'll go half.
Gotcha, gotcha. Okay.
See, you should have went for the $10 deal.
I
when gave
should have.
it to you.
Yeah, that went way up in price.
What size?
It's a
Alright.
ball.
Thank you guys.
It could be a.
Is it the whole neighborhood? It is. And the neighborhood is small. It's just two roads that are cul-de-sacs. Can't get
Ooh.
lost. And it's a nice stroll.
I need this.
Thank you.
Kills mice and rats.
We need that right there.
We have a mouse infestation at the
Well,
moment.
I've got a pest guy here. We're trying to trap squirrels that are in my attic right now.
Oh, my
so
Lanta.
yeah,
How much is this?
buck.
$1. It's probably cheaper than it is at the store. Oh wow, an old sewing machine.
And Singers are tanks. They just work.
How does it work? Oh, you do
Keep on
that.
working. I just have
Wow.
to get one.
How much you asking on that?
I'm asking 5.
It's pretty cool, Anna. Oh wow, that's really nice looking too.
Oh yeah, Singers are like, that Singer is probably better than the ones that they're putting out on the
Of
market
course,
now.
yeah. I mean, it's just like with toys.
Exactly.
You know, I come to these things and I find old toys that are in perfect condition from
Exactly.
40 years ago.
And you buy
You
the
buy-
ones today, and
they're
you get them
dead
out of the
in a
box and they're
month.
broken.
So $6 for both. I'll do that.
$6 for all.
You have change for a 10?
I-
If not, I think I have some in my car. If it's gonna be inconvenient.
I do.
Okay.
I have 4.
Well, hopefully they get the. See, I haven't paid anyone to deal with my mice yet. I'm trying to. I mean,
It's tricky. I used to live in
yesterday-
a Victorian up in Pennsylvania,
Yeah.
and I was on a first name basis because they would get, there's no firewalls in
Yeah.
a Victorian house,
yeah.
and I had a slate roof, and the one area, starlings, flying squirrels,
my
which are a
goodness.
nightmare, gray squirrels, so mice are tricky too.
We got 4 yesterday. Oh, is this part of it?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks. Have
Good
a
luck.
Day. Good luck.
Yeah. No good, Kyle? I told you that. Yeah, I said, dude, he's charging half retail. That's too much. He said that right in his listing, half retail. It wasn't? Ah.
Like you had a rifle at 22, you had a rifle that's probably $200 gun or something.
Really? Oh, Anna, look.
It falls out of my.
Oh, those are the best books in the whole world.
They are. She listens to the audiobooks
They
every
are
night.
Loved. They used to be hers, and I'm her mom. So
Really?
the big girls.
Did I read those too? I know.
And you and Aaron read them like Aaron knew them backwards and forwards. So.
What do you think, Anna? Ask her how much they are.
How much are they?
You want them?
Yeah, well, please want
Yeah.
And there's a whole bunch down in there too.
Oh, there's more?
I don't know if that.
Yeah, I don't know if there's any more Junie B. Jones.
All right, well, we'll take the Junie. Because that is her favorite.
Thank you.
You got a next week worth of reading, or maybe the next few days.
Yeah.
There you go, bro.
Oh, that's cool. What is that? Family Field Guys. That's 50 cents?
Yes, sir.
That's kind of cool.
Dad, your favorite animal.
Ducks. Helen Keller.
Dad, you can feel their actual fur.
I don't know if that's their actual. Did you drop one? Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay.
That was Colin's fault. He's terrible. How much is this light?
I don't know. That's hers. Carrie, how much is that light? Sorry.
Oh gosh. That one I need to ask Dawn about.
Okay, she needs to ask her.
Okay.
We got Daddy. How much is that light?
With this card shuffler, that's kind of cool.
Where are we?
What's that?
$1,000,000, right?
No, I think it's just well stored. Yeah, that's what I was asking about. It seems cool.
Yeah, color too.
This is cool too. What year is it?
It's good for kids though.
It's a little bit.
But it was $1, so come on. Nickel.
What are these Red Wings? Colin, you ever heard of this brand?
Merrill?
Is that what it is?
Said $10 on this.
Oh, they're Doc Martens.
I was like, I don't know anything about that.
How much are these shoes? Oh, these are $20.
Yeah.
They're real Doc Martens.
Yeah, they're Doc Martens. A little beat, but kind of. What do you think? No. Would you take 5 on the light?
Sure.
Okay.
75.
Yep, you got it,
I
buddy.
was ready. Came back fully loaded.
Yep, there you go, bro. Thank you.
Thanks, man. Have a good one.
Absolutely.
Yeah. I try not to be too much of a low baller.
No, but if you came back with 10 that quickly.
He did come back quick. Anna, good job, baby. You got a sure light. Are you excited?
What's that?
Colin. Oh, that sewing machine stinks. That sewing machine?
Yeah, I'll put it in the back.
That stinks. Hey, everyone. Thank you for joining me on that yard sale. Have I kept you in suspense long enough? Do you want to know what the $5 item was that I sold for $379? Well, you probably already guessed it, and I'll show it to you. It was, here we go, the Singer Featherweight 221 sewing machine. Sold for $379 plus $17 shipping in just over a day. So yeah, sewing machine for the win. I knew it would be good because it was old, and a lot of old sewing machines have value, and Singer is a really good name. But I did not realize when I bought it I was going to get $379 out of the thing. It did smell. You saw me comment about it smelling, so I did make sure to put in the description here. Let's see. How can I get this to focus? Case is beat up and has distinctively old smell. If you couldn't read it. It says distinctively old smell. You know, it's in the description. I'm sure, I mean, that was delivered like 4 weeks ago now because this video is pretty late. Mostly because I wanted to film an outro and I haven't had time till now. So look at that. So if you do see a Singer, a black one like that looks super old, I would grab it if you can get it for a decent price because it's probably worth something, especially if they tell you it works. This one did work. I tested it, worked fine. I think it was, again, Featherweight 221. Huge profit, $374. I also got a light at those yard sales that looks like it's going for $75 to $100. Hasn't sold yet, and some books for my daughter. So Bunch of good yard sales. The sewing machine really paid for the day, so super excited. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my next video. Make sure you subscribe, and have a good one.